Let's talk about a few of the myths surrounding digital or having a digital press. Number 2, the consumable cost of digital printing is a major factor. Nobody outside of this building asked how much it cost to produce a digital blank with digital ink rather than a traditional sheet with flexo-based ink. Instead, we're addressing the questions of how does digital help you? How can digital help you grow? What are the values of digital? That's what we're addressing. So, this digital myth is busted.